Hello everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig goes out to play in the snow with her family and friends. Let's start drawing first. Daddy Pig. Oh dear! Daddy Pig slips and George and Peppa fall on his tummy. Peppa Pig. George Pig. Rebecca. I love my pen. Peppa Friends on toboggan. Candy. I love my pen. Emily. Peppa and George very excited today. Fantastic! Danny. It is snowing outside. Mommy Pig. This thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Daddy Pig. It's snowing. Peppa Pig. George Pig. Rebecca. Peppa's friend tobogganing on the big hill. Emily. Candy. Peppa and George love snow. Danny. is white and full of snow. We paint the sky with oil pastel. We draw the snow in spots using white gouache and cotton swab. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.